Ford, they are pickup truck experts. The Ford F-Series has been the best-selling light-duty pickup truck in the United States for close to 60 years. And they constantly are innovating the product. They're one of the first, and I think one of the still only companies that aluminum body panels on the exterior. When they did that, they shaved off about 800 pounds of weight, which improved payload, towing capacity, and efficiency. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this 2023 F-150 Platinum PowerBoost Hybrid. Let's dive in. Ford continues to innovate by offering a full hybrid version of the F-Series, one of the first full hybrid light-duty pickup trucks to come to market. We have that amazing EcoBoost 3.5-liter V6 powered to a hybrid powertrain with a combined output of 400 horsepower. This thing is really fast, really smooth, and really efficient. You'll average right around 25 miles per gallon in the city and the highway. And that's key. Most of us don't drive around on the highway. Most of us drive around town. And these big pickup trucks, they can be thirsty around town, usually getting in the teens for gas mileage. So from going from the teens to the mid-20s for fuel efficiency is a huge deal. And also with regenerative braking, reversing the polarity of the electric motor and using the electric motor to slow the vehicle down rather than the brakes, that makes it more efficient and that saves on brake life. And this thing is still capable as far as towing goes. When properly equipped, you can tow close to 13,000 pounds with a PowerBoost Hybrid. For 2023, the Platinum F-Series is one of the range-topping trim levels. Only the higher one is a limited, but this thing is decked out with bling and creature comforts. We have a power tailgate. We have an integrated tailgate step. It makes it so much easier to get it in and out of the bed with this feature. You know, if you have to take stuff in and out of the bed, climbing in and out is not the easiest thing, especially four-wheel drive. This thing's pretty high off the ground, but this just makes it a cinch. And on top of that, we have an onboard generator with a hybrid system. So the hybrid system can act to power the onboard generator. So we have a couple of choices for power LEDs, two 120s and then an AC 240, which you could potentially power your house with if you have a power outage. And great for camping, great for the job site, running power tools and stuff like that. This thing is very versatile because Ford, as I mentioned before, they are pickup truck experts. The power tailgate's a very nice feature. We have retractable running boards, nice polished alloy wheels. And pickup trucks used to be simple, but now they've turned into luxury family haulers, and that's no exception with this Platinum crew cab with nice spacious rear seat accommodations. I'm 6'2", I got a ton of legroom, ton of headroom here. We have a huge panel roof. I'll open that shortly to allow lots of natural light inside. The rear seats are heated. If you need more storage, you can flip up the seats and you have a nice storage compartment here. Almost with both seats folded up, like the same storage amount you'd have like in the rear area of an Expedition. If you don't want stuff exposed to the elements in the bed or theft. Beautifully appointed interior. We have leather, contrast stitching, suede cloth material. Beautiful contrast stitching and contrasting colors in the seats. The Platinum insignia right there. Even the armrest is wrapped in leather and beautiful stitching. We have contrast stitching in the leather-wrapped steering wheel. Completely digital gauge cluster. B&O premium audio system. Huge screen for the navigation and infotainment system, rear parking camera, integrated trailer brake controller, Pro Trailer backup assist, heated and ventilated front seats. So we mentioned we have this big panel roof. We have a power sunshade to dim things down if it's too bright. Unfortunately, it's overcast today. This also opens too if you want some fresh air. Another trick up our sleeve. This is going to Ford being pickup truck experts. You hit this button right there, and that stows right into the center console. Okay, that seems like it's a cool feature, but what's the point? Well, the point is you can take this and you can flip it over, and now you have a table. Yeah, you can write, you can put your laptop here. If you're having lunch, you can put your drinks and food here, your salad and stuff like that. If you're getting a quick lunch inside your vehicle while on the run or on the job site. So versatile. We have a copy of the original build sheet on this one, close to $80,000. Luckily in the pre-owned market, it's far cheaper. This one only has 24,000 miles, very lightly used. The PowerBoost Hybrid is a $2,500 package. The twin panel roof was a $1,495 option, giving you that panel roof. The Pro Power Onboard generator, 7.2 kilowatts, $750 upgrade. Interior work surface, that's basically that little table I showed you, $195 for that. Max trailer tow package, which is going to get you closer to that 13,000 pound max tow rating, $2,040. Well, thanks for joining me on this walk around of this 2023 Ford F-150 Platinum Hybrid. Absolutely beautiful. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, probably serving the greater Seattle Tacoma area. We're located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of premium vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.